Tired of your Facebook ad leads disappearing into the abyss? Let's bridge that gap and funnel them directly into your Kvcore CRM. First, log into your Kvcore account. Head over to the Marketing Autopilot section on the left-hand side of your screen. Next, locate the Lead Capture tab inside. You'll find a dedicated section for Facebook ads integration. Click on the Connect Facebook button. Now, you'll be prompted to log into your Facebook account. Make sure you're logged in as the admin of the Facebook page associated with your ad campaigns. Facebook will ask you to grant Kvcore permissions to access your ad account. Carefully review these permissions and grant access to proceed. Select the specific Facebook ad account you want to connect to Kvcore. This ensures only leads from the selected account are synced. Next, you'll need to map your Facebook lead form fields to the corresponding fields in Kvcore. This ensures your lead data is accurately transferred. Typically, you'll map fields like first name, last name, email, and phone number. Finally, save your settings. Kvcore will now automatically import leads generated from your connected Facebook ad campaigns. Congratulations! You've successfully linked your Facebook ads to Kvcore. Now you can nurture those leads effectively.